Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your health savings account with HSA Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your health savings account with HSA Bank, start by visiting their official website. Locate the login or account activation option on the homepage. Click on the option that directs you to account creation or activation. Provide the necessary personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, enter your date of birth to verify your identity. Create a username and a secure password for your account. Make sure your password meets the required criteria for security. Choose a security question and provide the corresponding answer for added account protection. After inputting all required information, review your entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to proceed with the activation process. If prompted, follow any additional verification steps sent to your email or phone. After successful activation, you can log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. Explore options for funding your account, including direct deposits or transfers. Review the investment options available through HSA Bank, if applicable. Consider setting up automatic contributions to maximize your savings. Lastly, keep your login information secure and accessible for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.